simply advise people not to worship the deity Dorje Shugden and instruct others to be tolerant and avoid violence against those who continue to worship it.
Nobody harming. Nobody harming on them.
But I've seen the calls for violence
No.
in the newspaper.
No.
I've seen it with my own eyes.
No. I think rumors. And from this side, no single record about violence.